All right, we're at the beach again. Unbelievably beautiful day. Water's super calm. It's gonna be nice and warm today. This beach is gonna be busy this weekend. I love that Tanner still gets around as well as he does, but he just goes off on these little excursions, and he's deaf, so I can't, when I yell, he doesn't hear anything. Right, Lil Bean? And so I just have to go track him down every freaking time. You guys having fun, huh? How you doing? Come on, Lola. Come on. What's doing? Lola, you want to climb? You want to climb, buddy? Come on. He loves climbing. Where you going, bud? Hi. Angel, your dad's literally 10 feet away. Dude, I spent the whole time trying to get him to not whimper.